Start.
So now guys, our machine is ready for the paving. As per the machine, our paving width is 3750. That means 3.75 meter road. That is a paving width. So now we are going to set a channel with the width of 3.750. We have set the channels by keeping the 250 mm distance from the strike tube from the engine side. Similarly, from the operator side, 250 mm you can see 250 mm. So now our paving width that will be a 3750, that is 3.75 meters. So how this you will keep equal distance of the rail from the both the ends. So our rails are locked by the anchor fasteners.
Bolo.
So now our rails are maintained and locked, and now we will keep the machine down and we will lift the tires up. So how all the 4 tires will be lifted up and the drive tubes will settle down on the channel. So now our drive tubes are settled down on the rails.
Start.
So now guys, you can see there is no any surface contact of the tires with the road surface. All the tires are lifted up. Our drive tubes have been settled down on the rail. See, there is no any gap between the rail and the drive tubes. It's with the 100% contact. Now we are ready for the operation.
Continue.
So as we are ready for the operation, but before you have to ensure there should be a 4 mm gap between the rail and the strike tube. This gap is very necessary. It's a 4 mm gap? Yes, okay.
Both sides. Both sides.
You have to keep this 4 mm gap on the both the side. Yes, okay. If we are not getting the 4 mm gap, if you are not getting this 4 mm gap, then we have to lose the pedestal bolts of the drive tube. We have provided the slot on this pedestal. By losing these bolts, drive tube will get loose. Then you have to tighten the bolts gradually. The drive tube will get gradually downwards. Then tighten the pedestal bolts.
Set both sides.
Similarly, you have to set both the drive tube similarly of the engine end and the operator end. So our 4 mm gap are set on the both the sides. Machine is ready for the paving. Now we will move forward for the operation.
Hello. Start.
Guys, we are ready for the operation. Now we will start the machine. We will show you the demo of the 3750. As we discussed, rotation of the strike tube. machine reverse. Now the machine is moving forward. So as we have discussed that the strike tube should rotate anti-clockwise for the better finishing. Don't run the strike tube clockwise while paving. So now, while the paving, you have to make sure the machine should run on the channel. So both the ends of the drive tube should maintain the equal distance on the channels. It's very important, it's very necessary point. You have to ensure that what the channels has been logged, angles has been logged, the surface of this angle should not above the channel surface, otherwise it will cut the drive tube and the strike tube. So while running the machine, you have to ensure that the flow of the oil should be in the limitations. We can see right now the current knob point is on the 3 to 4, between 3 to 4. The flow should be a minimum when the machine is running. So operator should control the drive tubes with the help of these two levers. He has to maintain the movement of the machine by controlling both the levers simultaneously. Guys, one thing ensure that the knob position should be between 3 to 4 while paving. Operator has to see that the machine should not operate at the full speed. That should be between 3 to 4. So machine is ready with the paving mode. So we have to take care of one thing, that we have to remove these two handles while paving. These two handles. The operator has to take care of one thing, that he has his full presence while he is on the operation mode. This presence makes very important. So guys, the thing is that we successfully operated our demo. The thing is that the operator has to focus on his job while he is on operation mode. His presence is very necessary while during the operation. We have successfully maintained our machine on the rail. We showed you the different operations, functions, while the paving, how to pave, machine setup, the cautions. So you have to look after the machine even after the operator went during the paving mode. Thank you.